Hey everyone! Today I'm going to guide you through a quick 10-minute yoga routine designed to ease anxiety and stress. You don't need any special equipment, just a quiet space and your breath. Let's start by finding a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the tension melting away. Now bring your hands to your knees, palms facing up. As you inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears, and as you exhale, roll them back and down. Let's do this 3 times. Inhale, lift, exhale, roll back down. Feel the release with each breath. Moving on to some gentle neck stretches. Tilt your right ear toward your right shoulder, hold for a breath, and then switch to the other side. It's all about releasing that built-up tension. Now, let's come to all fours for cat-cow poses. Place your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. As you inhale, arch your back, lifting your tailbone and gaze upward. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin and tailbone under. Flow between these 2 positions for a few breaths. Inhale, arch, exhale, round. Feel the flow, feel the release. Next, we'll move into child's pose. Sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward, bringing your forehead to the mat. Take 3 deep breaths here. This pose is wonderful for calming the mind and grounding yourself. Slowly rise and transition to a seated position. Extend your legs straight out in front of you for a seated forward bend. Inhale, reach your arms up, and as you exhale, fold forward, reaching for your toes or shins. Just go as far as you comfortably can and breathe deeply. Now let's lie down on our backs for a gentle twist. Bring your knees into your chest and drop them to the right side. Extend your arms out in a T position and turn your head to the left. Hold for a few breaths and then switch sides. Twists are great for releasing tension in the spine and detoxifying the body. Finally, let's finish with a few moments of Savasana. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended and arms relaxed at your sides. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let go of any remaining tension. When you're ready, gently start to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing movement back into your body. Roll to your side and slowly come up to a seated position. Thank yourself for taking this time to care for your mental and physical well-being. Remember, you can come back to this practice anytime you need to find calm and peace. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.